Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I've been asked to do a video on 3 things that you might not know about the car business. So, 1, every dealership is actually an independent franchise or sometimes part of a dealership group, which is why you might experience a bit of a different experience as you go from dealership to dealership in terms of sales, service, etc. There are standards to which we must adhere set forth by the manufacturer, but every group and every dealership is a little bit different, which is why we like to think that we're a little better in a lot of ways. 2, we're actually multiple different businesses operating under one roof. And it'll vary from dealership to dealership. Here at Madison Kia, we do have sales, of course, as well as a body shop, service department, and parts department, which we all work together and help each other out, but to some extent are different entities that operate in their own independent ways. And 3, you might have noticed it's really hard to buy a car in Wisconsin on a Sunday. And that's not because every dealership just happens to be very religiously owned or whatever. It is actually a state law. We're a blue law state, meaning that legally I can't sell you a car on a Sunday. So there's 3 things that you might not have known, and now you do.